Today we are programming the SensaMist S150 Diffuser. To do this, you want to start by programming the current day and current time. So press the set button and you'll see the hours start blinking. So we're going to go for 8 o'clock. So use the up and down arrows to change the hours. Press set and it advances to the minutes. So we're going to use the up and down arrows to change the minutes. Now we have 8 o'clock. Press set again and you will change the days of the week at the top there. The line will be under the current day of the week. So we'll use the up and down arrows to adjust the day of the week. We're going to do Tuesday at 8 o'clock. Now you see the little line is under Tuesday. We press set and the current time and day is set. Next we're going to program an event period. Before you do that, you're going to want to know what parameters you want to program this unit for. So for our experiment today, we're going to program it Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. This is a 24-hour clock, so we will be programming from 8 a.m. to 1700 hours. So it's good to know those parameters before you begin programming. So to begin programming an event period, we press mode, and we go to our event on period. We're going to do 8 a.m. so we see the hours blinking. We use the up and down arrows to change the hours. Change the hour to 8. Press set. The minutes are already blinking double zeros. We'll press set again. And you see the days of the week blinking at the top. The lines will represent the days of the weeks that the diffuser will operate. So we use the up and down arrows to change the days of the week. We're going to do again Monday through Friday. So we keep pressing the up and down arrows until all the lines are under Monday through Friday. And press set again. Next we'll press mode to advance to the event off. This is when the diffuser will stop spraying every evening. So we use the up and down arrows to change the hours. Again, we're going to 1700, so we're going to go down to 17 for hours. We'll press set again to go to the minutes. Use the up and down arrows to change the minutes. And there we have 1700. Now you don't have to set the days of the week again because you already set that during the event on period. It'll remain the same. So press set, and then we'll press mode, and this is the length of spray. So for a more intense fragrance in the room, you're going to want to go up and have a longer spray. This is going to be spray. This is going to be a second. So here, this would be a 65-second spray. For a less intense fragrance, you're going to want to go down and have a shorter spray. So we're going to do 15-second spray. Press mode again. And this is going to be your intervals between sprays. This is going to be 120 seconds between each spray. And we're going to use the up and down arrows to adjust that. So for a more intense fragrance, we're going to want a shorter interval between each spray. For a less intense fragrance, we're going to want a longer interval between sprays. So for this experiment, we're going to do 120 seconds. And then we're going to press mode again, and you'll see event 2 here. You're going to want to mode through event 2, event 3, event 4, and mode again until we're back to our home screen. And the S150 SensaMist Diffuser is programmed for Monday through Friday operation, 8 a.m. to 1700, 15-second spray, and a 120-second interval.